Today we're going to talk about how to migrate data from Concord Online 2.1 to New Concord using the copy-paste method. Open your Concord Online account and then open the notebook that you would like to move to New Concord. Click on the notebook that you would like to open, click the Open button, and then select the citations in that notebook. To copy them, you can use the shortcut keys on a keyboard. For Mac, it's Command-C. For PC, it's Control-C. Or you can go under the Edit menu and click Copy. Now go to your New Concord account. Create a list by clicking on the plus sign. Enter the name of your list. You can make it the same as your notebook name in 2.1, or you can name it something different. Then click Save. At the bottom, you will find something that says Import Citations. Click on that green bar, and a new box opens. Please note that you can only import 100 citations at a time. So if your notebook had more than 100 citations, you will need to do this in groups. Click in that input box and paste in the citations using Command-V on a Mac, Control-V on a PC, or use the Edit menu and click Paste. Then click the Validate button. You will see the citations are now listed in this next screen, but some of the rows are red. Any red row will not be imported into New Concord unless you take further action. This is a piece of text that I had as a heading in Concord 2.1. If I wanted to come in as a heading in New Concord, I'm going to click on this checkbox so that it turns it into a piece of text. For this one, it was a comment that was made about this citation, Science and Health, page 275, and I want it to be related to that same citation. Therefore, instead of clicking on the checkbox to make it a heading, I'm going to click on this link icon, which will move it into the text box right below the citation, which in New Concord is the annotation box. And then this piece of information will always be linked and connected to this citation. This citation is red and has the error message Invalid Directive because citations in New Concord try to follow the way that citations are printed in the Bible Lesson Quarterly. This is invalid because this 2-space colon needs to have parentheses around it in order for it to be understood by New Concord and brought in as a citation. Once I make that adjustment by clicking on this little edit pencil icon and editing the citation, now my citation turns black and it will be imported successfully. If you don't want to change each citation individually as you import them and want to go back and fix things later, you can click this box here, which would make everything that was red import as text. Then you could go back and review the information later and adjust as needed. Once you have turned all of your citations black, you are ready to import, and you do that by clicking Save. Now the data from your Concord Online 2.1 notebook has successfully been added to a list in New Concord.